Here's a simple and delicious recipe for chocolate waffles. They're perfect for breakfast or dessert. Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, a quarter cup cocoa powder, unsweetened, a quarter cup sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 tsp baking soda, 1/4 tsp salt, 3/4 cup milk, a quarter cup melted butter or vegetable oil, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, half a cup chocolate chips, optional for extra chocolatey flavor. Instructions: 1. Preheat your waffle iron according to the manufacturer's instructions. 2. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. 3. In a separate bowl, mix the wet ingredients: milk, melted butter, egg, and vanilla extract. Whisk until smooth. 4. Gradually add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients, stirring until just combined. Don't overmix, lumps are okay. 5. If using chocolate chips, gently fold them into the batter. 6. Lightly grease the waffle iron and pour the batter into the waffle maker. Cook according to the waffle iron instructions, usually 3 to 5 minutes, until the waffles are crisp and cooked through. 7. Serve warm with your favorite toppings like whipped cream, fresh berries, syrup, or more chocolate. Enjoy your chocolate waffles!